Hi folks, I'm just giving you a wee walk around the hotel with the now, so there's shops in here, maybe spa area, the shops open. And the shop's actually reasonably priced in here, there's only a couple, but here we go. So you've got these here, and that's the spa, so there's the wee thing, the price of the spa. Here, you can go through this way, this is level 1. You go through this way to the pool, but there's also like a wee bar. I'm just making my way back to the room because we're checking out the day, and we've asked to keep the room open, so we're getting moved. I'll do another review on one of the rooms. In fact, I'll go this way because I still get a wee bit embarrassed with people because they'll look at you. I'll get that after. So they're moving his rooms, we're going into the main building, so I'll show you the rooms in the main building. The main pool there. Main building. You got that way at reception. This is the bar. You can come in there. It's quite good. Your all-inclusive's included in there. The entertainment's not too much, but it's good in there. It's quiet. You get a wee drink. So I'm just walking around this way. I'm going to cut these after wee seconds. There's a wee gym in here. I never ever come down here. There's a hairdresser's, look. The gym. I don't ever come in there, but you can't really see through there, no. Well, this wee bit is a hairdresser's here, look. I've been coming here for years, and I didn't know that was there. Wee hairdressers. Just shows you, innit? Hold on, there's a wee price list here. There we go. The hairdressers. Just shows you, innit, when you're doing wee walk rounds. That's some of the rooms down there. So there you go. Doing a wee walk round with you guys this morning. I love this hotel. Absolutely love it. There's another bit of the spa, look, the spa. So there's in there. And there's the price list up here again. Can't really see it. I actually brought my light with me, but it's dead double. 2 seconds. That's the gym. And look at the spa down here. Just shows you the places. I'll try and get a bit of this. No, man, go straight along here. Go straight along here, sure. Straight along here. That's the bar. The day entertainment in there at night, but there's also a bar down the stair. But this is just a quieter one. See, they never used to do food up there, look, and they've started doing it again. So you'll get your food in there, you'll get your snacks in there, look, mum. Hey? You'll get snacks in here again? No, we're not getting any. Look at the fish fingers. Get some after, right? Aye, we'll come up here. Come up here and get fish fingers for them. Burgers, ham and cheese, grapes, chips, and then you get the salads. The salads are quite nice. No, I think it's still down there now. No, it's still down there, look. Near the bar. Well, there's the cheese sauce for the nachos. That's alright, isn't it? Hey, come over the back of this way. Come over there. I need to stairs up the stairs again. Aye, we'll do that then, right? Right, come on, right. Don't be running, remember, right? Fuck's sake, I forgot my hat again. I'll just stay with it today. No, no. I'll just stay with it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, this way, we're going round this way. I know. Aye, go in here. Right, pal. Oh no, I have not got it though. We've moved it when it's raining. Slow down, big slow down. Hi. I know. So see if you walk down this way, this will take you to a bigger pool. That's the main pool back there, but if you walk down the side of the hotel, we're going to be swimming. Walk down this way because they don't really tell you about this way. Right down here, and you'll see like an orange and green gate in front of you, right? It took us, we were here a couple of years before we seen this pool. So you just go through these gates. So as you can see, that door's only open at certain times. Oh, I know. Aye, gonna go to the bridge, pal. And you just go across here. Oh, you need your room key, didn't you? Aye. Right, hold on. Oh, thanks very much. Thank you, thank you. This is you at the bigger pool.